Hey, what's up everyone? Sean here from Step by Step Excel Training, and in this video I wanted to show you how to use text to columns in Excel. Now, in my experience working in accounting, sometimes you'll get a report that combines the different elements of an account string, so the facility, department, account, and product, into one account string here. And it can be separated by different symbols. Here we have the semicolon, down here we have just a period. Well, what a lot of people might do to break this out individually into facility, department, account, and product is to just manually type in 20999 like this. But there's a much easier way to do that, and that's by using the text to columns option in Excel. And what that allows you to do is break these out, identifying where the symbols are and then splitting it out and removing those. So let me show you what I mean when I say that. If you go to the Data tab up here, you'll see this text to columns, okay? The first thing I want to do though is I want to just copy this over here, okay, under the facility. And then I want to highlight this range of information, this range of cells. Under the Data tab, go to Text to Columns. You're going to see this pop up here. You have fixed width or delimited. If you go fixed width, it's going to allow you to manually split these out, but that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is we want to go to delimited, and if we hit next, it's going to give us this option. It's going to say, based on these delimiters, how do you want to separate this information? Okay, so in this case, we have a semicolon. So what I want to do is I want to uncheck the tab box. I want to check off semicolon, and you're going to see in this data preview what it does is if I take that off, it shows this with the semicolons, and if I click that, this is a preview of what it's going to look like when I apply this text to columns. Okay, so if I hit next, again, it's just going to give you the destination cell, which is B2. It's going to give you a little more information, and again, it's going to give you a data preview. So what I want to do is hit finish here. And when I hit finish, you can see that it removes those semicolons and it breaks it out. So now we have just the facility, just the department, and just the account and product individually here. Similarly, we can come down here for another example. I'm going to just copy this. And under the facility, again, I'm going to go Data, Text to Columns. I'm going to choose Delimited again. And you're going to see here that there's only the tab, semicolon, comma, and space. There's no period listed, but they do give us this other option here. So what you can do is uncheck semicolon, check off other, and then it's going to basically allow you to put in what other delimiter you want to separate the information. So I'm just going to type in a period here, and again, you can see that it's going to give me this data preview and show that, just remove that, by just typing this in, this is going to remove the period. So again, if I go next and then click finish, it's going to again separate it out based on the period. So this I found is a very, very quick way to separate information when you get it all grouped together in one long account string like this without having to take the time to manually copy it over or manually key it in individually. So I hope this video provided some great value for you, and if you enjoyed it and learned something, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.